Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back through daily crypto news and analysis, and today we're going to be talking about ZIL or Zilliqa. This is one of those gems that, has not moved quite a bit since, last December. So, one whole year of sideways trading. So, I don't really want to hear anybody talk down on Hedera Hashgraph's price action when we have ZIL. So let's jump in and let's talk more so about Zilliqa because there's been quite a bit of things that I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about with this asset. Trading volume has been ramping up, as you guys do see here, but I don't think that this is fully updated because CoinMarketCap is a little bit weird. So the statistics are updating here slowly. I want to say that this is updated now, but okay. So yeah, it should be updated, but we are around the 7 centile range. This is actually a fairly, low level right now currently for ZIL. Just recently, we were trying to target 9 cents. Trading volume was up 238%. I do think that ZIL is about to have a very incredible 2022. The reason why I do say so is because with NFTs, the Metaverse, and all that kind of stuff on the rise, ZIL is really kind of positioning themselves perfectly to disrupt that market. Now, before we fully jump on into this video, I just want to let you guys know that, with the circulation supply of Zilliqa, with, what they have been building, upside is not limited at all, because I know a lot of people are in the comments probably going to say, dude, it has like 12.19 billion in circulating supply. The market cap for this asset does not really matter. I just want you guys to understand that market cap for a lot of these assets does not matter. In my mind, Zilliqa is an easy $1 asset, especially with what they are building. Now, before we fully jump on in, I just want to ask you guys to please leave a like on this video. It does help the channel grow immensely. It takes a couple seconds, and I do greatly appreciate it. Now, with that in mind, let's move on and let's talk about the price action. So, as you guys know, this year recently we did hit a little bit of a high going all the way back to around May, and even April as well. We hit this high back in April. It was pretty much 25, almost 26 cents before we, collapsed a little bit to like 11.5 cents. Then we pretty much pushed up again to 26 cents, and then that was pretty much where we went to that bearish sort of price contingency from the summertime. Now, if you guys do look back, let's go just to the weekly chart. We can pretty much see the weekly here. It has been, in a nice little upward momentum if you're going all the way back to like 2020. But just look at the price, from, December of 2020 to December of now. We're pretty much at the same exact levels. In fact, we're battling weekly, resistance going all the way back to December of 2020 alone. So right now, I am watching ZIL closely. I do suspect that we will have, a very nice change of price appreciation for ZIL. I think that we're going to see a ton of movement. And, from our current zone, if we do go to $1, which I do believe that we could easily target $1, we're going to be talking about why in this video. But if we do, pump to $1, it's about 1,178% from our current levels. So that's pretty significant, especially considering the fact that, when we're talking more so about a lot of these assets, ZIL is definitely positioned to disrupt a ton of markets, especially the Metaverse. And with that being said, let's just jump in and let's talk about this. So, the Zilliqa crypto Metaverse news stirring up chatter today. Zilliqa is the newest in a line of crypto plays looking to get into the Metaverse. We know that they are building this huge platform that's coming in, January actually. It's going to be launching next month. So this is actually going to be interesting to say the least. And we just hear this new frontier of entertainment and social media is getting the backing of tech giants and venture capitalists. And now we do see lots of crypto networks pivoting to embrace the metaverse, including Zilliqa. They did make a huge metaverse announcement. We're going to be talking about it and we're going to be discussing, but this is going to be very interesting to say the least. And here is that little bit of announcement. We're making it official. Metapolis, Zilliqa's highly immersive, customizable, extended reality XR metaverse platform coming soon in 2022. Here's what is in store for the Metapolis. Now, they're going to be including a ton of things. We do see here it will house, brands, games, art, real estate, and more. Of course, it uses the same non-fungible token avatar model, which other metaverse projects embrace. Zilliqa rounded out the teaser with a sneak peek video for investors as well. According to developers, the Metapolis will be coming in the next year. In the meantime, Zil gains are already present. The coin is up 6% so far today, days after the announcement first surfaced. Like I said, right now the price is pretty much back down to, I mean, like, this is like a safe spot in my opinion to accumulate, because we're pretty much still in the December 2020 price zone. But yeah, I mean, there's going to be a ton of updates within this, and we even see here this is how Zilliqa's Metapolis plans to unravel new layers of engagement. When entering, users can acquire customizable NFT avatars that will represent their digital identity within the Metapolis. And yeah, I mean, I do think that this is going to be incredible. We even see here, it's going to leverage several engagement layers, including NFTs, e-commerce, play to earn, digital mannequins, advertising, billboards, and beyond. So this is actually going to be very huge, especially from an e-commerce standpoint. Like, this is going to be massive. And I do think that this is awesome, to say the least. Like, this asset has been building, and I just done a video recently on Zilliqa as well. But they've been constantly building and building and building out these massive, projects and partnerships. Even just, October alone, Ninjas in Pajamas. I know that you guys are probably going to laugh about that, but they're actually a fairly large esports organization. They partnered with Zilliqa on a 5-year blockchain-focused deal. And I just want you guys to understand that esports is huge. In fact, before I started, doing YouTube and stuff, I do have a design agency, and it is focused on the esports scene. And the esports scene is absolutely ridiculous in terms of the massive growth that's been seen. NFTs and even the Metaverse are actually helping bring esports to an even bigger audience as well. So I think esports and crypto in general are going to continue to grow at a massive rate. Gaming is pretty much a huge thing. It's always been. But now it's getting a lot of solidification, especially in a legitimate standpoint for being, a new sports sort of, environment. Now, we do see, as a result, Zilliqa branding will be present on NIP's Counter-Strike and Rainbow Six Siege player jerseys. Additionally, Zilliqa will be present at the PGL Major 2021 in Stockholm as well. So, it's actually going to be pretty interesting, and with blockchain-based gaming companies being infused with nearly $500 million in the first half of 2021 alone, crypto seemed to have all the answers. And I honestly, when we're talking more so about this, I think it's going to add a lot more, eyes on Zilliqa. I think a lot of individuals are going to be looking into investing into Zilliqa and, seeing what it is. And if we come down here, we do see here Matt Dyer, head of growth at Zilliqa, said that the physical and digital worlds are merging and it's left nobody behind. And he's even saying, crypto joined in, adding immersive play-to-earn components to this world. Zilliqa didn't miss a beat and has been amping up our efforts to revolutionize the creator economy. Now that we have the opportunity to make our mark within gaming legends like Ninjas in Pajamas, we have no doubt that this collaboration will bring new people and more adoption to the cryptoverse, which of course will add a lot more, volume to Zil. Right now, it has been in a struggle for volume, honestly, this entire year alone. Pretty much see that in 2021. There has not been that much volume. Even the volume, we want to be back to this volume back here in June and stuff. Like, that's where a lot of individuals were buying Zil. Now, also, we did see this. So, Zilliqa announces partnership with music NFT platform Token Tracks. So, this is actually going to be interesting as well. They're getting in on the NFT scene for, pretty much music and everything like that. We know that they have been ramping up NFT adoption. They have this new play-to-earn platform called Demons as well. They do have Mintable, Unicutes as well, so they have a ton of stuff. And we do see our Token Tracks is led by award-winning producer Tommy D and former Warner Music chairman Miles Leonard. So it's actually a pretty big partnership, and we even see our Token Tracks has created a game-changing model that will enrich the value chain of music creation, consumption, and collection. And we even see here, I'm thrilled to see that tokenization is being applied to millions of music fans around the world. Looking forward to kicking off what will be harmonious collaboration between Zilliqa tokens. So, yeah, I mean, they're getting into the tokenization game in music. I think that this is great to see. We are seeing a lot of adoption within the NFT scene for Zil. And this is all going to lead us back to this. You don't have to belong to one city in Metapolis. Cities include domes, which can be populated and allow teleportation to and from. Each dome can be designed and personalized to bring your vision to life in the metaverse. And of course, here's that pretty much sneak preview of it. It's going to be pretty exciting, to be honest with you. And this actually looks very interesting. And we do see January 2022. From P2E models to virtual experiences, brands and individuals are able to build and belong to an always-on layer of engagement that is easily accessible by all. And we just seen this. Did you say teleportation? This is coming from Meta, aka Facebook. 13.8 million followers. This is no joke, guys. So honestly, when we're talking more so about Zilliqa, I think that they are solidifying their name in the game to become a massive metaverse token. And it's not even just that they're a metaverse token. They're just, there's a ton of growth left for Zil. We know that the metaverse scene is being disrupted. We know that the metaverse scene is massive. Look at the year-to-date percentages on a lot of these assets. I mean, it's no joke. And I do suspect that Zilliqa is going to be having a massive field day once a lot of this stuff is announced. Of course, there's a lot more as well. We do see decentralized exchanges on Zilliqa as well. A quick preview of CarbSwap is coming from Carbon. They are building Web 3.0 solutions. It's actually going to be pretty interesting, and there's a ton of rewards within this as well, and you guys can pretty much see this working. Very simple UI. It's pretty much a decentralized exchange. It's pretty much similar to, Uniswap. So when all of this is coming to one ecosystem and the price is staying still for this long, okay, we're talking about, we're still in the same prices that we've seen back here. Guess what? This is literally 371 days. This is over one whole year of massive accumulation. Yes, we did hit an all-time high, but it's similar to almost the all-time high going all the way back to May of 2018. So our prices currently on Zil are extremely undervalued for what they are building. And I do suspect that this has a ton of upside potential growth left in it. And they're continuing to grow and grow. And the social volumes are definitely, growing on Zil. Individuals are finding out about Zil. Go back 1 year, a lot of individuals didn't really know about what Zil was building or becoming. But I can tell you right now that I truly do believe that Zilliqa is a $1 at least token. We even see here the social economy on the Zil blockchain is expanding. We are here for mainstream adoption. And if you guys did miss it, it's coming from XCAD Network or X Academy. They are pretty much partnering with these major YouTubers and these huge influencers because this is going to be, the value of content creator audiences via a creator tokenization and stuff like that. And viewers do earn rewards, which could be used for fan governance. I think that this is great. I think that this is incredible. This is pretty much decentralization of YouTube almost. And huge YouTubers already on the scene. We even see here, this is the AZ family, 8.3 million subscribers. And of course we had another one, PDK Films, 17.5 million subscribers. This is huge. Okay, so they're building out massive projects on Zil. Guys, do not disregard Zil at all. I believe that there's going to be some massive updates coming very soon. We even hear our first Merry Christmas to you from the Metaverse. We're looking forward to celebrating the next holiday season with you right here in the Metapolis. So this is going to be huge. Definitely pay attention. Definitely make sure if you guys do want to get into a Metaverse token that's very early, definitely check out Zilliqa because these avatars and stuff that they're building out in this game, or I shouldn't even say game, but this world, it's getting pretty interesting. So with all of that in mind, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, to notifications on if you guys want more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As always, I hope that you all have a beautiful day or beautiful night wherever you guys are in this world. It's been Nick. Peace out, guys.